I mean, I understand somebody take it out of the house. Because people just like upset me, you know? Them just like upset me.
How's your bag today, please?
Piece of panic attack setting down told me I have to pull over. John, no, I can't. I don't know. There's another look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time. And I was like, baby, baby, baby.
Is there something specific you'd like to know or discuss about the girl in your house?
What the fuck? What was that? That was creepy. That was very creepy. Anyway, cuties, let's cook some food. Something we never cooked before. Like me say, gungo, stew peas. Let's do it. Alright, cuties, so this is all the ingredients I'm gonna have for cook the food. I have scallion, thyme, I have 2 buckets of gungo. Barely have nothing in it. I can't see. Weird on yourself. I got tomato, sweet pepper. I said I was gonna make some vegetable with this. I may have some carrot in the fridge. I'm gonna get 2 parcels of cow foot. I'm gonna get them cut it small because I don't like it when it's too big. And I don't know if Tisha ever eat it when it's too big. So I'm gonna try to get it as small as possible. I got 2. I don't know if I have everything. Let me see something. I think she got lucky. I find 1.5 coconut milk because I never remember to buy that. Okay, so now we're gonna season. We're gonna use a little bit of Obey, Jamaica season mix up. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, onion powder, Maggi all-purpose, and we're gonna add some green seasoning, like 2 spoons. And now we mix. Anyway, cuties, this is it. The cow food clean and seasoned, ready for cook. On this. And we're gonna lock it and leave it for cook. Okay? Crushed garlic, then we're gonna cover it, okay? Okay, rice. So cuties, this is it. It came out so freaking good. Oh my god, cow foot stew peas. It's a thing. It is a thing, okay? This is so nice. And I cooked some white rice and I had some vegetable over here. So yeah, that is it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment, and please guys, try this. Try it. Me I tell you, you're not gonna love it. You're not gonna love it. Oh my god. Me a burn up. Me a burn up. Shit. Oh. Anyway, cuties, that's it. I'm gonna clean up back a little bit. I don't have a lot to do because I don't know see me clean as me go. So I'm just gonna put my stuff in for charge, and then it's after 9. It's after 9. Like, that is it. The day done. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Your slippers can fit me? Them there underneath the Girl, which one do you want to do in the sofa? I feel like I want to do that. Okay. The orange is giving a vibe. You love the wigs that already got this style in it. I only bought that because it's summer, you know? I can throw it on and go. Hi. Hi. Hey, hey.
Like let's stand up, but him runs with something dangerous. We start to take care of you. Alright. Got your license, cuz. Talking about making my back. Still my workers. Now you copy my design. Sell 2 shirts for half. And I want
I got back at 6. It's still
meant to rotate you and Jen to the party for an hour.
you know what I forget.
And Kurt's water.
You know the person keeping the party?
Tonight?
Yeah.
No, I got late.
Oh, for the party.
You never know who you're dealing with.
I'll say I'll
When
go.
someone new comes
Mommy,
along,
I wear my head part
the
of
price,
my
it's getting hard.
God, that's your work. When do I tell her to buy so much clothes? Girl, if you take care of your name, you don't have enough to. I'll give them away.
Have you had contact with Immigration Service recently?
Alright.
Yes.
I do that shit too, but
Location at the exact time. You're gonna come and pick it up. If you don't want me to early, you ain't getting your girls. If you don't want me to late, you ain't getting your girls. I don't see that because you ain't getting your girls.
if I see that they'll pass it. It's a drug show. What's your camera? What's your people?
Now, right, there's my little girl. To this, that little girl needs to be standing in front of a hero.
Welcome to Reggae Mash World. I go by the name of DJ Echo. I have
down, no man, if you know me as a style, I'm bring on a copy and paste. But next first me in a barrier, I'm a no. Man, know your man, tell your man, him a was there. Yes, you me not care if a plastic. Continental, that I take set from this to themselves for reference system. We do it, we don't relentless rotation, always in. In the notes, say you got the girl, you want the big boy, fuck the magical. That when you get on the bike, your body big, so that you pussy bike back. Your body so position like that when you get on the bike back.
It's the first time I see my battery I did. Alright, here you go. So the skirt connected to the Wi-Fi. And yeah, that should be it. Just skirt connected to call me when you connect it. Cute is the video not uploading. My Wi-Fi is trash. It's now 5:54. 5:44. The video for go from 5 o'clock. May upload from morning. From morning. I had to take the phone to work and use my client Wi-Fi to export the video. Now I come home, I try upload it. Freaking 4 hours on the video now go up. Now I go up man at all. I don't know. I have to go carry the box go down AT&T or wherever it come from and make them fix it. But anyway, what's going on? It's Monday. How y'all doing today? Welcome back to the vlog. I did not come out of bed yesterday. I was way too tired. I sleep all day. Yeah. So, I'm not sleep all day. That's the battery, the 8%. I can't believe it. I'm not sleep all day. I think I go back to bed after I talk to you. Then I get up and I edit most of the day. Then I went back to sleep. And then I wake up 11 o'clock. Then I wake up 11 o'clock and do clean the room. Come on, so this is a sign. You sleep a day or work on that. I get up and clean my bedroom. Pack up back everything. You know when you go out, close the everywhere. Pack up back the whole place, change my sheet, everything I'm washing right now. And then I edit till daylight. Till y'all would probably not believe. I edit till this morning, but after 8, set the video for export. Lie down. I'm supposed to wake up by 9:15, 9:20 for go work. I fell asleep, woke up 10:20. Late, my client I call on my phone. I get up fast, rush, dry my clothes, brush my teeth, and run out of the house. Then, but I wrote the whole day. I know I'm not sleep. All I know, so I know I'm not going to the gym today. I'm about to make a salad. I just put some sheet in the machine. I'm about to make the salad. Eat it me because to be honest with you, I'm never hungry. But there's no say a time for eat. Tisha carry the tablet gone over a friend's house to see if the video can upload before freaking 6:30. But change the time to 6:30. Hopefully when I get the video by then. This Gatorade is so good. Oh God, 5%. I don't know which for me. I always can't find my stuff, bro. Timmy, you see the case for this. I wonder if I left it in a Tanya car. No, who for car I drive? Tisha car. Tisha car, we got a party to backside. I go there in a Tisha car right there. Cause the freaking battery are dead now at the 5%. No, the 4%. Definitely can't hear me very soon. So this is what I'm taking. One of this. One folic acid. Folic acid or whatever it's wanna call. We're taking the pre and the probiotic. Listen, I've only been taking these for like two weeks now, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I see improvement in my stomach. I'm telling already, I'm always bloated. Always, like, especially around my period time, bloated just get extra till I feel like me about for bus. Very uncomfortable. No one gonna win, no one see nobody. And now I'm on it, and it don't feel like that. I still see some, but you know, that feeling that when I usually have me feeling like stuff, like cement, I don't feel like that. Yeah, so I don't know. Yo, pill is so. Oh, and I'm also drinking the iron thing. You showing it soon. I showed it the last time. But I don't know how people say they can't take pill. It is so easy. So easy. My daughter, you have to fight her. You have to literally fight her to take one pill. It won't pass her throat. Alright, cuties, I'm gonna 1% the battery. Might as well take it off now, though. That's no use to me right now. What am I telling you to say? I buy them something here for make salad from Saturday. From Saturday when I come from work, I say. Cuties. But I'm not gonna laugh when you hear that one, yeah. You see, me there, I start telling them about the battery are dead, the battery are dead. The freaking camera did a dead. All my seat, hold on, Tisha. Hey. Okay, so the video going up, thank God. The little second it up on the internet over there, so it reached 65% already. Crazy. Anyway, well, like me I said, me there start telling you all the damn battery for the battery, the mic are dead. Only if you know, say, the freaking camera are dead. I don't understand why me mistake. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. But me there start chat too not ratted and the sitting just lock off. But anyway, me that telling you say from Saturday I buy them something here for make the salad. And I did not because me get caught up. I get ready for party and all these things. So I have some what is name? Lettuce. The whole I made this to that shit out of the bag. Oh my God. Hello? Oh. So guys, I have one bowl with me when I eat out. I use it for make me one glass bowl. I basically my special bowl. I mean, I understand somebody take it out of the house or somebody break it and don't want to tell me. But on me I look for the bowl, I can't find it over here. Anyway, I don't want to use chicken, make the shrimp, make the salad. But I have 2 little shrimp in the fridge and then I leave it in the bag and then so I'm going to make sure I eat it myself. Because I leave it in there to make pepper curry shrimp. You know pepper shrimp, but I don't want to curry it. I never have it before. So I'm going to leave little in there for experiment. And when I come the bag bust, so then take time I eat it out. So I'm going to tell myself, say, me, I got to eat the rest myself. Yeah, me not make them fuss me. So this is what the shrimp is looking like. Pretty good size. It looks smaller on the thing. It looks way smaller on this. So I'm gonna devein them. Did I devein these already? I don't think I did. Or maybe I did. I don't know. But I'm gonna devein them and I'm gonna take off the head and the shell because a salad me I put them in there. Hurt my heart to take off the head, but I have to. I have to. So cute is yes, them you're already deviant. Smells so good. Yes. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Tuesday. I am hot and I'm here chilling. I'm at the therapist. My appointment is actually at 5 o'clock and it's now 2:56. But I'm not trying to go home and come back out. Not until I'm ready for God to drink. And that's like 7-8 o'clock before I do that. So I'm trying to see if they're gonna see me, but right now I know them they're on lunch, so they have one keep back in the car a little bit. So the plan is to do therapy, leave therapy and go try get something for cook. I don't know what. I have some callaloo in the freezer. I don't want to chop up some chicken back with it. But for some reason, I don't know, I just not think frozen callaloo eat good. I don't know what I think. My mom, she swear about it. She's like, yes, it's fresh. It's not. Not to me. When you cook frozen callaloo, it's like, it's not trashy. It's not the word. I can't explain it. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out, and then me, I'll go to the supermarket and grab. Well, not supermarket. One of them Jamaican corner store and grab something. Maybe we should have steamed my fish today. My head there everything. I have some pork chop in the fridge. I want to cook them so bad. I want to fry them. I've never had fried pork chop, but I did it the other day for my client and it looked good. It looked good. You season it, flour it, and then just fry it just like that. I didn't even know you could do that. I thought you had to like cook down pork chops, you know? If you get it for cook. I didn't know it was that soft, but you couldn't just fry it. Yeah, so I think I want to try it. So I have 3 pieces of pork chop in the fridge. But right now, I don't want to do that today. I don't want to do that today. That's for like a cheat day. Like maybe Saturday or Sunday. But during the week, I'm trying my best to like eat clean, you know? Yeah. Anyway, let me see if them people here come. 2:59, I will go upstairs. Come on. Okay. Oh Lord, please make this back door open. Maybe today they will allow me to bring you guys in there. I don't know. Let's see. This gimbal is just shaking. Why? Yo, if that door here not pull me, I forgot what I go way around this so. Oh, please pull. Oh, thank God. Jesus. Hey boo, I'm good. Let me see if I can explain what is wrong with my back. This is the spine. So you see how this is pushing out right here? That's what happening to me. It forced out on this side and on the bottom. But it's not as bulgy as this where I need surgery. It's just, I don't know how to explain. It's just not as big as that. You know? So it's something like that. And the one at the bottom is like it's pinching. It's sitting on the nerves where it make your toe them go numb. and you feel numbness in your legs and whatever. Yeah. That's the best I can do. You
Hey,
ready?
how are you?
I am good.
How's your back today, Felicia?
Just my lower back hurts a little.
Your lower back is still hurting?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know when to stop, okay?
Okay. Good.
Okay. And your upper?
Good.
Perfect. Be back in 10 minutes, okay? Let me pull this out a little.
Okay. Thank you. And now it feel like it's just shocking me. But it doesn't hurt though.
Give me 1 second, Rose. I'm in the middle of putting something to the job.
Doing this one?
Right under. Okay, scooch down. More. More. Let me put this under your knees. Very good. Now let me know when to stop, okay?
Okay.
How high you want the roller.
That's good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. And the machine stops, you're good to go, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, we're all set.
Okay.
You need help?
Just
You're good?
remove
This?
that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Take care. Have a nice day.
You as well. All right, ladies. Bye.
Bye, sweetie.
See you tomorrow. Yeah. Anyway, cuties, that is it. Well, sometimes we do more back exercise, like maybe it may feel more pain, but today the pain wasn't bad. It was just my lower back. That's it for today. We are gonna go to the supermarket and figure out what we're gonna cook for dinner, because we ain't buying no food on the street. No, ma'am. Am I walking up? Should we use to park out here, sir? Yo, that's crazy. Gonna left my car to rotted. I said that shirt you get tight. So tight. Look at this. But I just have a show now this couple months from now, alright? So tight. Suck on my hand now, remember. I'm showing how serious I be losing this weight before my look vacation. I mean, I'm not gonna lose all like before, but some of the belly got to go. Got to go, because your girl is going on the beach. Bikini settings, okay? Watch you two block my ass. Anyway, cuties, later. We're here at the supermarket. Let's see what they have inside. Because I don't know what I want yet, you know. Mr. Cuties, look who wants the GPS stepping on the highway a while ago. A piece of panic attack setting down told me I have to pull over. John, no, I can't. I don't know. I don't know. Me on the highway just now work out. Hey, sweetie. Not me on the highway. I almost cried to it. I swear to you, it's that serious. Anywho, we're gonna looking at the beach section. I'm really feel like more. I want to do something with the Calaluna fridge. But I don't know, you know? It's just down now. Everything green to rotted. Ready in? Can't know. I think I burn my stomach right now. What is this? What's up, cuties? Excuse me. So we're home. I've been home now for like a couple minutes. 10% battery remaining. Yeah, the battery are definitely are dead today. And I'll know me to find my case yet. I think it's in my daughter's car though. But anyway, I've been home for a minute, but I have to calm down myself before I turn on the camera. Because people just like upset me, you know, them just like upset my spirit. I don't know. So I'm just grabbing the stuff them for make me my shorts. Alright, Mr. said that dead, Jesus. And I have to go wash up dirty plate because it look like say everybody is on live up in them parents. So I'm gonna do it because I need to make my content. So you know what? Me already buy the stuff them. You see if me never buy the stuff them, I swear to no. I swear to them, I not do nothing. I just left it, but I don't make no sense right now. Me get, hold on. Ah, it's crazy. It come like them deliberately do things to piss me off because you hear me talk every day about dirty clothes. You see Tim Tisha?
realize gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's
I honestly wonder if you have somebody for round for you. Have somebody to play with? We have to try to stress me out. Me do it as me have time. We can't gonna fast along me about This light is so bright. I don't know which light them say good for black people's skin. If you don't know the light, then make me know down in the comment. But there's a color light where them say make black people's skin, you know, pop. All these colors make me look pale as like dopey. Ghost, me just white. And not even a good white, just pale, you know, like I need little sun. Is that it? That blue light? Does that work? I don't know, cuties. I know someone to know about going in the little vlogging world. Let me know which light them say good, which color light them say good. Me put on this and it did. I gotta put this up safe because I'll come back. So them look at something I want to see me I put up. I just some stuff I got from the dollar store. You know, sometimes them just make your house feel fresh and new. They're cheap. It's like $1.25 for one. So I always buy them and then just change out the one them way when I have for a while, you know? Right. Anyway, me I'll cook now. I'm gonna make it into a thing, a video by itself. So I'm not going to show you now, basically, but you guys will see it in another vlog to itself. I'm gonna cook. Oh, I never tell you what we get now. Yeah, I'm sure what we get before. Let's send it on the merry way. Oh, and it's past 5 o'clock. I had crackers and pear, cream crackers and pear for my first meal because I couldn't find nothing else. I'm really hungry. Guys, I found this. You know how long me I try find Spice Jamaica season? No, Spice Jamaica, right? 1876 is a dude who cook on the internet. Oh my god, he is so good in do catering. Anytime either may I get married or like a 40th birthday party, like a big bash, or you know something really special where you have to do a big catering. I have to find him. When me telling you that the man have some breeder presentation, yo, the man sick, and he's Jamaican. Him can cook. Oh god, him bad. Well, I'm gonna taste it, but the look of it, and him cater to a whole heap of party, and every time I cater, I will video it and show you him set up. Oh my god, the man have such a high like vision for food. It's crazy the way the man set up. Really good. I love his stuff. So I try to find him season. I'm see them today. They're like $6 for one. $6.98. Some only could have buy 2 today, but I'm going back. I got the jerk season because you already know I love use jerk season for everything. And I got the reggae blend, but I'm say put for everything too. I'm excited for these. And there are no MSG, which is good. It's good. So I got that, and me I look some fresh okra, but I couldn't find it, so me get one bag of frozen okra. And if I'm gonna see okra, know what come next. I got the fish. I was looking at all the meat and I was like, I don't feel for nothing. None of them in a feel for. So me get some parrot fish. Oh shit, fuck. Oh no. Who's that? You know, these dog. Fish smelling like not fried. Yeah, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna fry the fish them. Then I'm gonna brown through them. I'm gonna cook some food. Like I said, I'm gonna make it in our vlog itself. So move to Uno later. Alright, bye. But I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. But I'm gonna do it so that you can, you know what I mean? Yeah. Cuties, believe it or not, I just don't cook. Phone did everything did. I'm so hot. Look at the time. 10:23. We can't even eat dinner again. Anyway, I'm not gonna eat, but I'm gonna take my vitamins and I'm gonna drink the apple cider vinegar. Come remember me telling us at 8 o'clock I'm supposed to don't eat completely. This is the food I'm gonna share if I take picture. Normally I'll be eating it, but not tonight. And it looks so good, guys. It looks so good. Look at it. So good. Can you resist something like this? Such a masterpiece. If I do say so myself. I'm gonna just wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna eat it for dinner tomorrow. But like I say, before I go to bed, Timmy, you want pear? Eh? Them pear you hard for pear, see? When they? All you see me and guys. Run me around from taking that day. Apple cider vinegar there, no man. It's a good thing so when I come from work, I eat the crackers. Because me then dead feel hungry, I know. But enough is enough. Let's do this. Just gonna put a little bit in there. Hate smelling it. This would be better if I have lime, but I don't have any lemon right now, so just gonna put a little bit of water. And I'm gonna mix it up. Ooh. Oh God. And I'm just gonna chug it. Oh, so bad. So bad. Anyway, cuties, that is it for this vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.